Hi guys, Joms TV Media on a rainy Saturday afternoon. Yan, traffic pa pala. Punta tayo ng konting Christmas na, ilang araw na lang. Okay, punta tayo ng Rosario, Binyan, Laguna kasi may vlog tayo, may feature tayo na mobile coffee shop na Japanese inspired. Yung motif niya is matutuwa kayo because it's an iconic Japanese car na lumabas during the 90s, I believe, na naging cartoons and naging movie siya. So yun, okay guys, samahan nyo ako, tara, let's go. Ay, nga pala, ano rin pala tayo, baka makapag-vlog din tayo kasi motor show din, car show din ng Sentra Philippines, Nissan Sentra Philippines, Nissan Sentra Club Philippines. Yun, dun gagawin. So na-invite tayo ni Mr. Brew Through, yung coffee shop, yung mobile coffee shop. Yun. Yan, yung pupuntahan natin ngayon. Tara guys, let's go. And guys, we're almost there. Malapit na tayo sa Rosario Glorieta, Rosario Glorieta Park. Malapit sa church. Ayan, dun sa dulo na yun. Kakanan tayo. Okay, tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's go. Ayan, dito papasok tayo. Tricycle eh. Tuloy kayo na. Yun, sumalanggat. Martin. Malakas yung ulan, boys. Tinan mo, kapal. Hi guys, we're here na dito sa Christmas party ng Sentra Club. Unfortunately, sana huminto yung ulan. Ayan, yung vlog natin, yung picture natin. Yung coffee shop na yan. Dilim. Sige, later, kausapin natin si sir. Joms TV Media, we're here at Sentra Club Philippines Christmas Party. Ayan, na-invite tayo ni, napagbigyan tayo ni, ayan si ma'am, of Brew Through. Yan, si ma'am. Ayun. Ay, sige po. Mamaya. Ayan guys, kasi kaya tayo nandito, dapat i-feature natin tong kotse ni sir. Kaso in-invite niya na tayo na dito na gawin dito sa Christmas party nila ng Sentra Club Philippines. So ayan yung mga members. So later, kung may chance, pwede natin ma-interview yung mga members nila. So ito, guys, tignan nyo to. Ano siya? Takumi inspired na coffee, mobile coffee. Ayun si sir. Guys, tignan nyo. So naka Japanese plate din siya. Tapos yan si Sir JP. Sir, yeah. Hello. Thank you sa pag-invite mo sa Joms TV Media. Yan, mamaya kausapin natin si sir. At bibigyan natin ng special special vlog. So guys, kung gusto niyo silang puntahan, check niyo yung page nila sa Facebook and Instagram. Ito, Brew Through Coffee PH. So ayan guys, tignan niyo. Tignan niyo naman ang rims niyan. Sobrang kulit, sobrang galing. May bumibili na ng coffee. Member. So meron din silang mga sandwiches. Tapos coffee. Yan yung mga menu nila.
Double chocolate, butterscotch, oatmeal, and crinkles.
Ayun. Ay, guys, tignan nyo. Ito, sir, anong brand to? Mocha Belly. Ayan, guys, so. Solid. O yan guys, Brew Through Coffee. Check nyo yung page nila, Facebook and Instagram. Available. Yan sila, ma'am and sir. Guys, tignan nyo to. Solid. Takumi inspired. Ayun. Guys, initial tea, iced tea from Brew Through Coffee. Ayan. Thank you kala ma'am at saka sir. Well, guys, check nyo yung page nila, Facebook and Instagram. Ayan. Hey guys, Joms TV Media here at Rosario, San Pedro. With Brew Through Coffee, kasama natin si Sir JP. Sir JP at saka si Ma'am Daf, sila yung owner nitong Brew Through Coffee. Guys, solid. Tignan nyo naman yung concept niya. Okay. Sir, words lang, message mo sa mga coffee enthusiasts at sa mga car enthusiasts.
Yeah, so thank you again for taking the time to visit us.
Yes sir,
So,
pleasure.
It's nice meeting you.
Pleasure,
We
sir.
hope to see you again sa home base namin sa Las Vegas.
Yes sir.
For those who really love coffee and like cars, we share this to others so to inspire them as well. And just keep on doing what you love.
Yun.
Tulad ng ginagawa namin. So, hope to see you soon.
Ayun. Okay. Ma'am, thank you. Sobrang thank you. Guys, watch out the full vlog nito. I-vlog natin tong grabe solid. O yan. Sir JP, Ma'am Daf, thank you very much. Joms TV Media here at Centra Philippines, Centra Club Philippines Christmas party. Sir, thank you for inviting me. Thank you. Joms TV Media, thank you.